This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Taylor. Bathroom and kitchen remodel at 5 years, Skylights replaced 2020, water heater 2021, hurricane shutters, pool with waterfall, reclaimed sprinkler system, tile roof, large covered pool and patio area, fruit trees, lemon, clementine, peach, fig, prickly pear, pineapple and mango. Split floor plan, 4th bedroom could double as a study/office. Secondary bath leads out to the pool area. Vinyl privacy fence. 3 sets of sliders to open the home to the pool area. Paver driveway, lush landscaping, wainscoting on back side of kitchen bar. Great location in a quiet subdivision. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Taylor at 321-308-0334.